Hello! Welcome to the beautifully colored rainforest. The rainforest is full of colors of the rainbow. I have here red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Whatever you want, it's all here. Excitement and color fills the rainforest. First Children's Services, First Children's School, welcome. I am resembling a cultural dance of the native tribes who live in the rainforest. These regions are full of many plants and animals. Here there's a parrot, toucan, trees, and water. What a beauty! I'm excited for you children to join me. First Children's School, welcome!